How to add a contact on Viber. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add a contact on your Viber account. So first of all, open your Viber app. Now make sure you are logged into your Viber account, and now once you're logged in, tap on the More option on the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, you'll be provided with various options, and now you'll have to tap on the option Add Contact, which is right over here. So simply tap on that, and now you'll be basically provided with two options, and now you can either enter the phone number of the person whom you are trying to add manually, or you can also scan a QR code. For now, we'll simply enter their number manually. Now once you've entered the phone number of the person you want to add, simply tap on Continue, and now it will show you their profile. And once you've done that, simply tap on Save Contact, and there you have it. You have successfully added a contact on your Viber. So that is basically how you add contacts on your Viber account. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.